Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to lock the screen while watching YouTube on Android. Let's get started. First, swipe up and open the Settings app from the bottom of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From there, scroll again until you find More Security Settings and tap on it. Now look for the option called App Pinning or Allow Apps to be Pinned and turn it on. Once this setting is enabled, you can lock any app to your screen. Next, open the YouTube app. While YouTube is open, tap on the Recent Apps button. At the top of the YouTube app preview, tap the app icon, then choose Pin this app. Now YouTube is pinned to your screen. Even if you press the home button, the app won't close or exit. To unpin the app later, press and hold the back button and recent apps button at the same time, then confirm. This feature is especially useful if you're giving your phone to a child or toddler, since they won't be able to exit YouTube without knowing the unpin combination. And that's how you lock the screen while watching YouTube on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.